Good evening, Otaku Nation. Some of you may be wondering, what is the fine occasion that we owe the pleasure of this video for? Well, my friends, let me inform you that Mom finally said it's my turn on the Xbox. And after years of asking, I finally have procured the greatest console that God ever created. The Xbox One. And I have it here with me right now. So today I'm going to show you guys an exclusive unboxing from the Otakus of the Night of a brand new Xbox One. Without further ado, the box. The outer shell. Some may say that the packaging is what dictates what is inside. They say that you can't judge a book by its cover, but with the Xbox One, I think it's safe to say that we can. Because on the box it says Xbox One. Therefore, we know that inside the box is an Xbox One. But, like all legendary, godly objects of myth, they are imprisoned in a prison, hence the word imprison. To this Xbox, legendary, mythological thing, that prison is this box. So I think I'm going to crack this bad boy wide open. And there it is. In all of its glory. The Xbox One. Oh, my pussy is so wet right now. Let's get this bad boy out of there. Oh, Bill Gates. How could we forget about the controller? The magnificent and perfect Xbox One controller. Oh, Bill Gates, you've really outdone yourself this time. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh, man. And one final reminder, we love the pussy and the pussy loves us.